Hi guys, so the Galaxy S22 Ultra is getting some interesting updates that will make it one of the best devices for the year. Also, the 45-watt charging speed for the S22 Ultra has been confirmed, and since it's not going to be included in the box, you're going to have to buy it separately, but the price is absolutely ridiculous. Before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the S21 Ultra was released in January of last year. It was one of the first devices to be powered by the Snapdragon 888, and throughout the rest of the year, every other phone that was released was compared to the S21 Ultra as the benchmark, and it was hardly beaten by any of them. It was really one of the best phones to be released last year and won MKBHD's MVP Smartphone Award of the Year. Now, everyone is looking to the S22 Ultra to be the benchmark for the year. It's got two huge shoes to fill because it's the successor to two great smartphones at the same time. That is the S21 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra. The S22 Ultra is a combination of the S21 Ultra and the Note 20 Ultra. It's gonna have a big, beautiful, curved Super AMOLED display like the Note 20 Ultra. It'll also adopt the boxy design of the Note, and unlike the S21 Ultra that supported the S Pen but it had to be purchased separately, this is gonna have an integrated S Pen just like the Note 20 Ultra. The S Pen is also going to be greatly improved with a latency of 2.8 milliseconds, which is 3 times faster than the Note 20 Ultra and S21 Ultra. Now, according to Ishan, there's gonna be a beastly version of the S22 Ultra with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. That is gonna compete with the 1TB iPhone 13 Pro Max. And it's really good to see Samsung bring back the 1TB storage option, especially since it's not gonna have expandable storage support. The S22 Ultra is also gonna support 45-watt charging speeds. This would have been really exciting 2 years ago, but since Samsung decided to take the charging bricks out of the box last year, the 45-watt charging brick is not gonna come in the box of the S22 Ultra. And to purchase the charging brick, it's gonna cost you a whopping €50. €50 just for a charging brick. Samsung is slowly becoming as greedy as Apple. Anyway, the charging brick provides overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and temperature protection. It's also 30% more compact than previous 45-watt charging bricks, and it's not going to be limited to the S22 Ultra. The S22 Plus is also going to support 45-watt charging speeds. I'll talk about the S22 Plus in a different video. Do let me know what you think about the 45-watt charging brick in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more S22 updates. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.